GMT is up nearly 50% in a single day, sitting at just under 41 USD cents with a market cap of $640 million and a volume of 570 million. So GMT has absolutely smashed it recently and is just doing really, really well. Quickly, if you don't know what GMT actually is and does, GMT essentially is a native token of a play to earn ecosystem called FSL. So essentially with GMT you can play different games and earn different monies, and they've recently released a new game called Gas Hero. So Gas Hero is a new era of Web3 social strategy gaming, and essentially you can use this token in their ecosystem to buy NFTs and try and make money. That's the whole point of why people are buying GMT. So going into price charts, if we have a look at the day chart, we can see that GMT just has absolutely smashed it in the last 2 days, going up nearly 50%, hitting a low of 27 cents and then a high of just over 42 cents. So a gain of 60% in the space of 2 days, which is really, really, really good. Now, why has this been happening? Well, as I mentioned before, they've recently launched a new game called Gas Heroes. So on their Twitter they retweeted this. It's been just over 2 days since the Gas Heroes official launch, and the in-game NFT trading volume has skyrocketed to 20 million of this token, or nearly $6 million at the time. Obviously it has increased in value since then, but it is still worth a lot of money. Going back into the price charts though, GMT is currently just over 42 cents, and because it is a demand token, we're going to see a lot of fluctuation. Because you can earn this token, it means you don't have to directly, affect price by getting into it. So you can essentially, if you're rich enough and have enough NFTs, you can earn some of this token without actually having to be able to buy it. And that means buy pressure can be heavily subsidized if there isn't a huge amount of demand. And the last couple of times that we've seen GMT get huge one-day candles, we usually responded with very, very negative candles, and that is because people are buying this token to earn more token and then eventually sell it. So it means in terms of economics and how the token actually works is a little bit different from other projects that have different tokenomics, and it means that there is going to be heavy selling pressure straight after it pumps. So that means certainly within the next 2 to 3 days we're going to see GMT pump down towards at least 34 to 33 cents. So I would not recommend hopping into it. And the fact that it is a utility token means that people aren't really buying this token for the sake of having this token like you would with other cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum that people don't really use as much. Obviously Ethereum is massively used, but I mean that its main purpose is to serve this ecosystem, right? So if you're not involved in this ecosystem, then I really wouldn't worry about trading it too much, as it brings a lot of high risk. And for a token that is already in a position of being up nearly 40% in a day, you really don't want to take these kind of risks in crypto. So just to summarize, I wouldn't hop into GMT right now. There are going to be bigger buying opportunities within the next couple of days towards the end of January. But it is a really cool project, and I really like what they're doing with these games and such. So if you decide to explore their ecosystem, I'm sure that GMT will find its way into your wallet somehow. But that has been a quick video on GMT and Gas Hero. If you want me to check out any other cryptos, let me know down below. But I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.